we're at the Flight Museum, the Delta Flight Museum in Atlanta. Metal frame is aluminum, so which you could obviously tell. And it looks like they just bolted sheet by sheet, which is interesting. Huh? Because it has, look, well, some aircraft still have propellers, but look, it has a propeller engine. And this was a U.S. mail carrier, you see? But I think it carried mail and customers. It had to, because it has windows in there. You guys, so here is how the first class seats looked back in the 60s at the Delta Airlines blanket, and how they actually had it is that some people face forward and then the other people face basically towards the back of the plane. And then look, you guys, right here, so we have the Delta 1 seat. So this is how Delta's first class looks now, especially for, and not all first class when Delta flights looks like this, only your international and your long haul flights. All right, so it basically transforms into a bed, have a glass of wine. You also have additional cabinetry as well. Hey everyone, so we're definitely, I think this is the 727, but I could be lying, because this is normally 727s, at least from my experience. They're single aisle flights. I'll correct myself later, but I did want to show you guys is Delta so graciously showed us what the galley looks like on an older aircraft. And so if you don't know what a galley is, it's basically like a kitchen, but they call it a galley on the airplane. And basically this is where your flight attendants go ahead and prepare your meals and stuff like that. And so right now, at least then, they actually had meals. And I think it's so cute they even show like the menu of the day as the mannequin is showing, and just look at the actual compartments as well. My flight attendants and my pilots help me out on this, but the compartments are made like this, so like while the plane is taking flight and stuff like that, that nothing gets shifted too badly. And you can always unlock it and you can roll the carts out, and that's what they use to serve. But the babies want to show y'all how it looks like to sit in a plane. So that's what we're about to show you guys. I feel like this is like more spacious than how first class is now. Gesture of appreciation. Someone suggested, let's buy an airplane. They talked some more and decided to do it. This is a Boeing 767. Smaller these wheels are. See how tiny the front wheels are in comparison to the back wheels? Yeah. So y'all see the front wheels? Look how tiny they are. Yeah. And then look at the back wheels.
It's
But we've been on a plane like this. This is probably like.
no, we didn't.
Yes, we have. It's an empty aircraft. I knew it wasn't a Boeing. Boeing, like I said, tend to have their engine attached to the wing. But this one has their engine basically on the back of the fuselage. Also, I'm used to the McDougal Douglas, I don't remember which model, having one engine actually on the tail of the airplane itself. So, Delta, I want to say that they no longer have them on their fleet, or there's very few MDs on their fleet. So at this 747, we have the Delta One cabins. And so these are the seats that basically turn into a bed. And then we also have the two jump seats. No, the pilot was upstairs. Hey everyone, we are downstairs on this lower deck of the 747, and we're at the Delta One section, so the Delta One first class section. Like I said, upstairs, Delta One is a first class seating arrangement, and it's only for international. It's only for international flights and long-haul flights. So like from New York to California, or even now some Atlanta flights to Vegas have a Delta One. And so basically these seats can lay flat like a bed. The monitor can extend out, and then you also have remote. And then the cool thing about this place is you have lots of storage space. Like this is your tray, more storage right here. Okay, you also have additional storage down here. So it's very spacious. And so this is the inside of the 747. All the insulation, the piping, where the mechanics go through. Cool.
Oh, but there's an underground up here.
Yeah, of course. This is a machine.
No, I see it.
We can take a wing walk. I'll just take a walk. Let's wait to take a wing walk.